For this tutorial, I'm using medium acrylic, medium worsted yarn number 4 and 7mm crochet hook, which is bigger than the usual crochet hook. I'm using a bigger hook so to make the shawl light and fast to work, because single crochet sometimes takes a long time. And you will need around 4 of these skins, 100 gram skins, and we'll get started. I'm gonna start with a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 53. So 53 completed. In the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet. In every chain, I'm gonna make a single crochet till the end of the row. And here I'm at the end of the first row, and this is my last stitch, and tighten the knot. Now from row 2 till the end of my project, it's gonna be the same. I'm gonna chain 1 and turn in every row. So this is very delicate for beginners. The first stitch, which is this one, it's on top of the chain 1. This is where we start our first single crochet. The very first one. If you miss this one, the whole project will be like inclined. And then simply single crochet in every stitch. That's it. Just single crochet till the end. The shawl is as easy as this, nothing complicated, quick, and not much skills needed. So here I'm at the end of row 2, and this is my last stitch. Again, I'm gonna repeat, chain 1 and repeat single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet in every stitch. So I'll finish the entire shawl and come back to give you the final explanation. So this is the finished shawl. I have finally used 5 skeins of yarns of 100 grams medium worsted yarn, and I have done total of 210 rows of single crochet. So this pattern, it sounds like it's too much, 210, but I have finished it roughly in 4 days. So if you crochet 2 balls every day, you can finish it very quickly. So this is the end result, and I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. It's very simple yet pretty to wear if you want a quick project. You'll find the size of the shawl in the written pattern linked in the description box, and if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.